here we are at Unja Pharmacy. So sir, can you brief us about the company?
The company is a family-owned business. I am the fourth generation. My great-grandfather established this company in 1894. So during that year, Britishers were there, and it was a tough time for my great-grandfather to start this business. But I am quite happy to continue the tradition till now. Speaking about the business, we are into manufacturing and marketing of pure Ayurvedic formulations.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have various kinds of formulations. We have our products in tablet forms, capsules, syrups, and Chyawanprash. A variety of products are there in very huge range.
You might be, sir, having multiple manufacturing facilities and multiple offices through which the entire process must be managed. Right?
Yes. We have two factories. One factory is manufacturing unit is in Changodar and one in Sanand. We have 4 branches, 3 C&F agents and head office here in Ahmedabad. So we supply goods. I mean, the logistic is from factory. We ship goods to our branches, then to C&F, and we have around 175 distributors. So through distributors, they supply goods to retailers, and that is our logistic chain. So in all, the main activity, manufacturing activity, is at 2 places. Marketing activity is at branches and head office.
So, sir, probably you opted for Corporate Munim in 2001.
Yes.
For an organization with such a huge legacy history, how was it as a the first experience to go from a traditional outfit to a completely automated solution?
Myself remember the whole thing that 13 years back in 2001, the problem was there were multiple problems in our organization. The computer was also not that much. I mean, at that time we were having PC-XT or PC-AT with 1.44 MB floppy drive, and it was in very primary stage. During those days, we were using three softwares for our total business. We were using one FAS DOS-based program for accounting, but that was not giving inventory module. So for inventory, we were using inventory and a bit of manufacturing process. We were using another software, and for payroll also a different software. So there were 3, 4, and most of the work was done in Excel, and that time Lotus was there, WordStar was there. So we were doing most of the things with different
Yeah.
modules. So I was in search of, I did my B.Pharm and entered the business. In 95, 94 I joined the business. So I was initiating to, automation, yeah, maybe it's taking help of system technology. In 2001 I met Hital Bhai, and we had few meetings, but within third or fourth meeting I was very much convinced with this solution, Corporate Munim. The main purpose of zeroing to this Corporate Munim, at that time also in spite of our very small scale business, I opted for, I consulted many ERP suppliers that time also, but I went for Corporate Munim is, in that time also, this Hital Bhai, this Nutec system, they provided a solution of offline synchronization to us. So what in Patna, our Patna branch, we used to prepare invoices in Patna branch, and every second day they used to courier a floppy. So everyday data they used to courier us in a floppy drive, and we just have to import that floppy data to our system, and within next day, after running the process of synchronization, we get all the data of branches to HO. But in 2000, 2001,
Probably it was
that
a
was, yeah,
revolutionary one.
that was no one was giving that solution.
Okay.
Offline synchronization, that was also a good thing. And our business is mainly dependent on promotional schemes.
Okay.
So in invoice, there are various kind of, you cannot imagine that you buy 2 and you get 1 of this free. You buy 16 and you get 10% free. You buy 1 lakh rupees amount of this bunch of products and you get 25,000 free of that bunch of products. So there was various schemes, promotional schemes that we have to run. No other ERP has even imagined to supply this solution to us.
Okay.
Edelweiss has specifically customized this scheme management for us. The implementation part was very, very smooth, unexpected. When we finalized, they installed the corporate money first in our system, and within 20 or 22 days, we were totally online.
Okay, sir. I guess that must have
By
required a bit
inputting.
of training also. So how was
Yes.
the training support from corporate?
Training support was excellent, because there were instances that even during, I mean, after 9:30 in the night, the people from the corporate money, Newtech, were at our premises. And our staff also did a very good job. By telephonic talk also, they always give good support.
So, sir, how would you rate the efficiency that has been improved probably before the 2001 era when you are not on corporate money and now? Like, if any statistical figure can be quoted.
In 2001, we were working with administrative staff of 9 people.
Okay.
Nine person were there. Three of them were in accounts, financial, then at the HO, not at the
Okay.
factory.
Okay.
Factory has expanded like anything, but for administration, till now, after 13 years also, there are 9 people in our office.
Okay. So, probably you could manage
no,
that expansion
yeah, the same,
within the same
and the
strength.
turnover goes 3-4 times.
Okay.
The production volume has went up to 4 times
Okay.
in 13 years.
So I guess probably you could manage within the same resource strength
Yes,
and
yes.
multiply your other, like resource count to 3-4 times.
Yeah.
So probably you can count that as an efficiency index.
Yeah. Before corporate Munim, we were doing all the planning, production planning, forecast planning manually. So that was, I mean, not at all possible, and we were always sort of products when they are demanded. Nowadays, we are, I mean, we supply goods to up to 95%.
Okay.
So only 5% cancellation is there.
Okay.
And the good thing is the volume of inventory has decreased.
Okay.
I mean, at that time we were keeping inventory of 30% and we are getting cancellation of 30%.
Okay.
So the problem was we were not aware of what kind of product will be demanded and
Okay.
when to produce which product.
Okay.
With
So I
the
guess
help
this
of-
probably might have assisted you in better production planning.
Yes,
You
production
probably
planning.
are able to manage your raw materials,
Yes.
count properly, even able to like deliver the sales and marketing requirements as per the market need
Yes,
with the
yes.
minimum like loss of the order cancellation and stuff.
Yes, there are 2 modules in corporate money. One they called MRP, Material Requisition
Yes.
Planning, and other is Production Planning. This Material Requisition Planning, it is the heart of the system.
Okay.
Because accounts everybody provide. There is, I mean,
Yeah, I guess you
no,
might have other
yeah, no magic.
smaller solutions also.
Yeah, but this manufacturing Material Requisition Planning (MRP), that is fabulous in this software. I have also reviewed another software. I have our family members, this Unja Pharmacy is a big group, so I have my uncles, my cousins, they are using another software, but they share their experience. So I vouch that, I mean, I'm very happy to say that this material acquisition planning, production planning is excellent in corporate.
Okay. So
We use this software for such a long time. And one more thing which I would like to say is, they have provided a utility called UDR. That is a user-defined reports. And that is a very unique, I mean, feature of this software. Every company, and in our company also, the requirement of data, I mean, the required data is always changing. Today it occurred to me that I want such and such kind of, sales volume of this state under this stockist of which product. So it always changes. If we launch a new product, then also requirement of data changes.
Okay.
And this we can do on our end itself. And
Okay.
that is also very easy. User-defined reports, getting data from our own details is very easy in this corporate Munim. What happens in another system, in another unit, they have a predefined format of reporting. So you cannot modify yourself. For each and every modifications, you have to go to the software company, and they revise it or update it and supply to it.
Here you have the privileges.
Here we have, we ourselves design our own data, our own reports.
Okay.
So getting information from this software in desired format is very unique. That user-defined report is also a very good feature. In 2008, what happened is we opted for ISO 9000.
Okay.
So we applied for procuring ISO 9000. A person from SGH, there is one company which is providing, doing audit of our premises, and they recommend. So when person from SGS came, and our chemist in the laboratory, he showed how we are doing our SOP, standard operating procedures, and quality control and everything in Munim. He just showed to that person that we do this thing. When raw material, we receive raw material, we go this way, we do this, we take sample, then that sample reaches to QC, and QC does this quality control test. So all the procedures that we were following in corporate Munim, they were quite, in tune with ISO 9000 requirement.
Okay, so definitely that assisted you with the certification.
We didn't have to do any modification in our system to comply with ISO. And that was, how foresighted. When Hital Bhai supplied this solution, there was no, we were not going to get any ISO or anything. But the thing was inbuilt. It was there. So these few things, and our overall experience is very good.
Yeah. So, sir, any specific testimonial you'd like to give for corporate Munim?
In these 13 years, only once we have restored the backup of corporate Munim. And
Okay.
that is a great achievement of corporate Munim. And this only, speaks about its sturdiness, how reliable it is. In 13 years, only once there was a situation that my hard disk, physical bad sector has occurred in the hard disk, and hard disk failed.
Okay.
So I have to go for a new hard disk, and that time I have to restore the data of earlier, a day before, evening data, and we started. So
definitely time saver also. A lot of redundant tasks have been completely eliminated. So
this is fabulous. It is very sturdy software. Data corruption and anything it is not there.
Even sir, it's our pleasure that you are definitely one of our privileged customers, and definitely makes you a happy boss that you are completely having the nerve of the organization.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.